the lower area with a very, very fast flow. District Disaster Management has confirmed the incident, and at present there is no concrete information about loss of life and property. The affected village is close to Gangotri Dham and Gangaji's winter residence, Mukhwa. We're getting you these visuals from the disaster that has happened. The visuals that have come in, you can see what has happened at Dharali.
पर ऐसी कोई योजना चलाई गई है?
नहीं, अब उसके लिए तो ये जो कार्रवाई हमेशा गतिमान रहती है। ये तो ये नदी पहले किधर अपना रुख बदलेगी, ये तो पहले से स्पष्ट नहीं होता।
हाँ। लेकिन इतने एक्सपर्ट होते हैं, कम से कम वो कुछ प्लान तो कर सकते हैं, सुझाव तो दे सकते हैं।
लेकिन हाँ, मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, उसकी कार्रवाई सदैव गतिमान रहती है, सदैव गतिमान रहती है। और उसके अलावा हमारी जो जल पुलिस है, हमारी स्थानीय प्रशासन है, वो मुस्तैदी से
वो इस वक्त एक्टिव है। चलिए, हम उम्मीद यही करते हैं कि जल्द से जल्द लोगों तक मदद यहां पर पहुंचाई जा सके। शुक्रिया आपका हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए।
And we just heard the voice of PC Agarwal, the tourism minister, who is being questioned about the preparedness when it comes to these kind of disasters in Uttarakhand. Remember, this is not the first time that a cloudburst or a landslide has happened in these very fragile ecosystems. We've had a landslide near Yamunotri just a few weeks back, and now we're getting these visuals of this shocking disaster near Gangotri Dham at Dharali village. Questions will be asked of the preparedness, not just of the disaster management agencies, but also why so much uncontrolled construction is being allowed in these very fragile hills. Remember, this is an issue that has been in the public domain for several years now with regard to construction that is happening in the hills, with regard to how we are managing our waterways, how we are managing these small rivers that dot our hills. And every single time there is a disaster, questions are being asked about how this will be managed and what about the loss of life and limb.